Crispy golden potatoes, tender juicy turkey, and rich aromatic flavors, all in one pan. This easy one-pan recipe gives you a restaurant-quality meal with minimal effort. All right, let's start with the potatoes. We'll need 4 to 5 medium-sized potatoes, about 500 to 600 grams in total. Place them on the cutting board and slice each one in half, then again into quarters. Big, hearty slices, perfect for soaking up all the flavors later. Now, let's get our shallots ready. We're using 2 small shallots, roughly 80 grams in total. An easy trick to peel them. Just roll them under your palm with slight pressure. The skin loosens up, making it super simple to remove. Once peeled, slice them in half. As they cook, they'll naturally break apart, releasing their sweet, caramelized flavor into the dish. That's exactly what we want. Time for the star of the dish, turkey. Heat up a pan and place a 400 to 450 gram piece of turkey inside. Let it sizzle and develop a deep golden crust. Sprinkle with a bit of salt, just 2 to 3 grams, to bring out its natural flavors. Once the first side is beautifully seared, flip it over and reveal that perfect golden brown color. Now, let's bring everything together. Add the sliced potatoes right into the pan with the turkey. A little more salt, another 2 to 3 grams, for balance. Cover with a lid and let them fry gently. After a few minutes, we add 3 cloves of garlic, 15 grams, for a rich aroma, a sprig of rosemary, 2 to 3 grams, for a hint of earthiness, 1 chili pepper, 5 to 8 grams, for a subtle kick, our sliced shallots, 80 grams, for sweetness. Cover again, and let everything cook together until the flavors meld and a delicious golden crust forms. Now for the best part, the reveal. The turkey is perfectly cooked. Let's cut into it. Look at that tender, juicy inside. And the potatoes? Let's check. Press one gently with a fork. Soft, fluffy, and absolutely perfect. And for the ultimate test, the turkey fibers should pull apart effortlessly with 2 forks. Look at that juicy texture. Time to plate up. Arrange everything on a clean white plate. The juicy turkey, golden, crispy potatoes, and now one final bite with everything together. And that's it, a simple yet incredibly flavorful dish. If you loved this recipe, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more delicious recipes. See you in the next one.